So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is something different. Today we have come for the launch of Nissan Magnite. It was launched actually on some few days back, but in the Goa showroom it came today. So we have come to take a look at that. This one is the turbo manual 1 liter engine option. As you can see, this thing is very dominating. The front look, the whole car looks very dominating. These are the by projector LED headlights. This is actually the projector, and this one is the reflector based LED. This is the DRL. This is actually the fog lamp, which is also a projector setup. This one is the X Suite Premium. It is the silver color. These are the diamond cut 16 inches alloys, which are wrapped on MRF Wanderer tires 195/60 R16s. This is the side view of the Nissan Magnite. These are the split tail lamps. It looks like it is LED, but it is not LED. Those are halogens actually. The tail lamps with the side lamps and the reverse light. The rear actually looks quite cleaner this time, inspired from Capture. Magnite badging over here. Nissan Magnite is the first car of Nissan which is getting their brand new logo, and as you can see, this one is a turbo manual. If it is the CVT, then you get a badging over here. And let's open the boot. This is the boot space. It is 336 liters, and you get the 60/40 split seats along with a parcel tray. The rear wiper is available from the base model XC version. You get high mount stop lamps as well as spoilers, but the only thing is that you don't get a shark fin antenna. You get 4 rear parking sensors. Let's hop onto the rear seat. As you can see, the doors are very big. Even the entry for the passenger is very big. You get this fabric kind of finish on the door. The doors feel heavy. You can see the knee room is good. I am around 5.6. You can see the headroom. You get 4 adjustable headrests, 2 in the front and 2 at the rear, and the seats are quite comfortable. Those are the fabric seats. You get rear armrests with 2 bottle holders and a mobile phone holder. You even get isofix style mounts. You get the 2 rear AC vents, a 12-volt charging socket. The wheel well is almost flat. 2 adults and a child can sit comfortably inside. This is the dashboard view from rear. It is quite clean. Here the third of the door. You get chrome handles in the top model. This is the steering wheel of the car, and you get the 7-inch digital instrument cluster. This is the 8-inch touchscreen. This is the manual variant. Okay, let's start the car. This is the push start button of the car, which you get in the top model. This is this animation. It looks quite good. I'm impressed by this car. This is the steering wheel. On the right side you get the cruise control, and the left side you get the audio controls. And this is the traction control, and this is the cruise control, and this is the headlight leveler. And these are the AC controls. It looks quite good, inspired from an aircraft thingy. This is the 8-inch touchscreen. You get the 360 camera in this. This is occupied with the LED projectors and you can see the throw. You get driver side mirror as well as the passenger side. Don't get the lights. This is the power window switches. You get up down, and the outside rear view mirror is electrically foldable and adjustable. The air vents, you might think it is inspired from Lamborghini. They actually quite look good. This is the kind of texture, which is honeycomb texture, which you get in the top end variant. These are all hard plastics, but good. This is the glove box, which is 15 liters. It is quite big. Don't get the auto dimming inside view mirror. Let's open the hood and I'll show you that. This is the 3-cylinder 1-liter turbocharged engine, which produces 100 PS of power and 160 Nm of torque in the manual variant and 152 Nm of torque in the CVT variant. You even get the insulations in the bonnet.